this video, I will be decoding Kashmir for your next trip. So please watch the video till the end. Nature has endowed Kashmir with implausible beauty and is rightly called as paradise on earth. From trekking to solo trips to family vacations, Kashmir is an experience of another kind. Kashmir is known for mesmerizing scenic vistas, pristine lakes with quaint houseboats and Kashmiri cuisine. Before starting the video, I would request you guys to please like, share and subscribe the channel. So let's get started.
Kashmir is a year-round destination, and the best time to visit Kashmir depends on what you want to experience, whether it is simply relaxing the lush greenery of summer or witness the white snow beauty of this paradise during winter season. In the summer season from March to June, the weather is pleasant and comfortable, and tourists can witness the lush green meadows and pristine natural beauty of Kashmir. Whereas in winter season from October to February, Kashmir appears to be a real treat to the eyes. Tourists who wish to witness snowfall can make the most of it during the winters. Kashmir is well connected to major cities of India by air, rail and road. It also has an international airport at Srinagar, and the nearest railway station is in Jammu city, which is around 300 kilometers from Srinagar. Kashmir also enjoys a good road connectivity and can be reached by road via NH1 and NH44 through major cities of India. Kashmir offers numerous holiday destinations and completely different vibes in different seasons. Therefore, to experience Kashmir in all of its glory, one has to visit this paradise at least twice. So in this 6-day trip, we will be exploring some of the best places to visit in Kashmir like Srinagar, Gulmarg, Sonmarg, Pahalgam and more. So let's start our day 1 Kashmir trip in Srinagar with the Tulip Garden. Sprawling in 30 hectares of land, the Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden is the largest tulip garden in Asia. A 7-terraced garden known for its 48 varieties of tulip flower, this major tourist site in Srinagar comes to life during the spring season when the Tulip Festival is held. This festival is must-see in Kashmir as it aims at flaunting the natural beauty of the garden. The pride of Kashmir tourism, Dal Lake, is the most popular attraction in Srinagar. Enclosed by Mughal gardens, this must-see place is ideal for family vacationers, honeymoon couples and even solo travelers seeking peace. Dal Lake offers incredible view of rolling hills and snow-capped mountains. The houseboats on the lake are also the top attraction as the best accommodation option in Srinagar to the tourists. On the Dal Lake, the floating vegetable market is a unique sight in Srinagar. This colorful market is one of the must-see places in Kashmir. It's ideal to reach early by 5 am in the morning to witness the bustling floating market. Set on the shores of pristine Dal Lake, the Shalimar Bagh is the largest Mughal garden in Kashmir Valley. Encircled by tall trees of chinar and many colorful flowers, the Shalimar Bagh presents tourists with a serene environment. This garden is open from 10 am to 6 pm for the visitors every day. Popularly known as Garden of Bliss, the Nishat Bagh is the second largest Mughal garden in Kashmir Valley. Situated against the backdrop of Zabarwar Mountains, this garden is a delight for nature lovers, family vacationers as well as the romantic couples. Other than these places, if you have time, you can also visit Pari Mahal and Shankaracharya Temple. Start your day 2 journey early and head to Gulmarg, which is around 50 kilometers from Srinagar, and it will take you around 2 hours to reach. Situated at a height of 2700 meters, Gulmarg is considered as the best skiing destination in India. This beautiful town is indeed a destination for all as it offers something for everyone. Upon arriving in Gulmarg, you can spend day 2 visiting local places like Maharani Temple, St. Mary's Church, world's highest 18-hole golf course, Maharaja Place. On day 3, take gondola ride. Reckoned to be the world's second highest cable car project, taking a gondola ride in Gulmarg is a must. It is a 2-tiered ride. In the first phase, the visitors are taken to a height of 2600 meters, and in the second phase, visitors are taken to an elevation of 3700 meters till Aparvat Peak. It is up to you to choose to take the ride of phase 1, or if you are visiting here in summers and want to enjoy the snow, you can visit the second phase to Aparvat Peak. Timings are from 10 am to 4:30 pm and is closed on Sunday. Apart from it, if you are an adventure sport lover, you can also try snow activities like skiing and can ride an ATV. Travel back to Srinagar by the evening of day 3. Begin your day 4 trip on a day 2 to Sonmarg. It is around 80 kilometers from Srinagar and it will take 2 to 3 hours to reach Sonmarg. This picturesque town in Kashmir is situated at a height of 9,000 kilometers above sea level at the bank of Sindh River. Also known as Meadow of Gold, Sonmarg will offer you gold sun-kissed peaks, breathtaking lakes and towering glaciers. Sonmarg also provides you the opportunity to enjoy white river rafting. return to Srinagar by the evening. However, one important thing to remember is due to heavy snowfall during the winter months makes Sonmarg completely inaccessible. The roads from Srinagar to Sonmarg gets closed sometimes in December and does not open until March. So if you want to enjoy the beauty of Sonmarg at its peak, I will advise you to plan your trip in summer months. On day 5, check out from Srinagar and head towards Pahalgam, which is around 90 kilometers from Srinagar, and it will take you 2 to 3 hours to reach there. Also known as Valley of Shepherds, Pahalgam with its pristine beauty and scenic location presents numerous options to explore nature as well as yourself. Pahalgam has a religious significance as well, as it is a host to famous Amarnath Yatra. Start your Pahalgam trip with the famous Betab Valley. Its lush meadows, snow-dressed mountains and Lidar River with its bluish green water is what makes the Betab Valley a top tourist attraction. You will have to pay an entrance fee of 100 rupees per person to enter this valley. If you are a nature lover and photography enthusiast, then head towards Sheshnag Lake. The trekking route towards the lake is extremely scenic and offers you breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and huge grassland terrain. On the day 6, visit Aru Valley in Pahalgam. Besides its lush meadows, pristine lakes and mountains, this valley also serves as a base camp for trekking to the Koloi Glacier and Tarsar Lake. It is an attractive tourist place where you can enjoy pony rides, skiing, zip lining, zorbing or paragliding. So let's finally talk about expenses for a 6-day Kashmir trip. Taking food and accommodation into account, a trip to Kashmir for 1 week usually costs 13,000 rupees for one person. So a trip to Kashmir for 2 people will cost you around 25 to 26,000 rupees. उम्मीद करती हूँ कश्मीर घूमने से रिलेटेड आपको सारी जानकारी इस वीडियो के द्वारा मिल गई होगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। आप लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।